continuing for where I stopped in my last lesson, I'll be going to insert, yeah. So insert, let's click on this. So this is in this cell 2B. So let's click on insert. Let's see the options there. Insert cells. And as I have told you, a cell is a box. Like just in simple term, it is a box. Just imagine it as a box. Yeah. So now let's go back to 2B cell. So let's say insert. I want to insert the cells. It's going to give options. Do you want it in the down or right? So if it is right or down, so let's just say down. So let's say okay. So obviously it's going to push down to B. Then now it's going to give us the blank cell. So you can just press Ctrl Z to undo. Ctrl Z means to undo and Ctrl Y means to redo. Yeah. So undo what I've done. So yeah, that is what I just did now. So let's say insert. So if it is right, so you're going to push Toby to the right. So as you can see, Toby now is in the right. So let's just say Ctrl Z, go back there. So insert cells. So if you want entire row. So as I've told you, rows is what um horizontal and what the column is vertical. Yeah. So if you want entire row, so it's going to give you a blank vertical space out there, up there, the entire row. So you are seeing a straight line. So I'm just giving it in a simple time. It's not a straight line, but you can see like you can just envision it as a straight line. So let's press Ctrl Z to go back. So if you want to say insert cells, so you just say entire column. So obviously a it's creating a vertical line for you. So entire column. So now this that's creates a new column in between here. So let's press Ctrl Z. So insert. So you want to insert sheet rows. So as I've told you, this is sheets, this is sheets. So and this whole thing is a workbook. It's called a workbook, and this is sheet. So if you want to enter sheet rows, just click on insert sheet rows. Sorry. So when you click on insert, said insert. Oh, sorry. That rows like insert sheet rows. Sorry, this is the sheet now. So if I click on insert sheet, so it's going to like open. It's going to give me a new sheet there. So don't mind the sheet 3, but it's just a new sheet out there. Yeah. So when you want to insert sheet rows, it's going to give me a sheet row. As you can see, it's going to give me a sheet row. So insert again. Maybe it's a sheet column you want. So same thing like what I've done there. Yeah, it's just same thing. So let's press Ctrl Z. Yeah. So we are done with insert sheet. So now delete. So also what you can insert and you can also delete. So for example, let me say I've inserted the sheet rows. So let's say okay, I don't want it anymore. Just go here, delete instead of pressing the Ctrl Z. So probably you've done like a lot of work after that. So that means Ctrl Z is not going to work. So just come here, highlight the row you want to delete. So just come there and just say delete sheet rows. So as you can see, it has deleted the sheet row. So let's insert again. Maybe we have inserted the sheet column. So now no, I don't need it anymore. So just come here, delete sheet column as you can see. So let's click to this sheet 3. So maybe I want to delete the sheet 3 because it's blank. So just come to delete, then say delete sheet. Go, I don't want you anymore. Yeah. So that is the essence of insert and delete. So you can insert and you can delete. And even these ones that are there already, you can also delete them. So you can just highlight and say, I don't want this column anymore. So just say delete sheet columns. So the column of 2B, can you see it? No, you can see it. So then press Ctrl Z for them to come back. So just make sure that whenever you're deleting that means you don't want it anymore. But because the moment you delete, that means they are gone. They're gone. Yeah. So for maths, so maybe you want to give it a row height. So maybe you're not comfortable with this height. Means like how tall are you? So now this is a row, as you can see. So this is a row. As you can see, this is a row. Let me highlight from the beginning. This 4, it is a row. This is one row. So maybe you don't like you want to change the height of this row 4. Just come to format, just say row height. So it is in 14.4. You can say let me give it like 30. Just click on it. So as you can see, row 4 is not different from the other rows. So Yeah, so because I want my fourth row to be like that. So you can also just like maybe you think I don't need it anymore, just come to format, just say auto fade. That means it's going to go back to the default, the normal row height. So same thing as column width. So width means wide. So how do you want the column to be wide? So B. So this is a column. Let me highlight as I'm doing it. So this is a column. So maybe you want it to be wide, like we want to widen it. So just come here, format, and say column width. So in this 8.11, so you can say give like 14. Okay, so you've seen that it has widened. So format again, maybe okay, you think it's unnecessary, just go back to auto column with or default. We just say auto column is just same thing. Yeah, so rename hide or unhide. So you want to hide a row column. So this is a column of Samuel, Taji, and Charm. So this is a column, this is a column. So let's hide this column. As you can see, you can just if someone doesn't look keenly, you can't see that column that I've just hide. So just go back, you say, let me unhide this column, unhide column. So now column of 2 has come back, as you can see. Yeah, so Excel's have got some privacy. Maybe you want to send a document, you can even put so down. Let's go to format. So maybe you want to hide a row, you want to hide a sheet. Yeah, so hide rows. Now you can see that row one is not there. You're just in two, whereas row one gone to you can't see it. But if you are the one that does the changes, so you just come here, yeah, say hide.